Biology, Part 32. The balanced human diet. A balanced human diet is one which provides all the materials needed for normal growth and development for maintaining the body in healthy condition. Within the definition, there are many diets, any of which is equally satisfactory from nutritional point of view. The individual foodstuff which comprise a balanced diet can vary widely, but the groups of substances shown, the nutrient substances participate directly to the chemical reactions of the body and can contribute to the growth of carbohydrates and lipids are classed as major nutrients. Carbohydrates and lipids are classed as major nutrients because they are taken in larger amounts and because each of these substances can be broken down to provide energy. The major nutrients are also those which require to be digested by the enzymes' actions before being absorbed into the body. Water is not usually described as the nutrient because although it can participate in the chemical reaction, it is present mainly as a solvent and not as a raw material for growth. Well, roughage, dietary fiber, is the name given to the indigestible material, mainly cellulose, which passes through the digestive system unaltered, and it is important because it gives bulk to the food mass inside intestine, allowing to be efficiently moved along by the muscular contractions. Although it has no nutritional value, roughage is a sense component of the healthy diet. All the different nutrient substances in person's diet fulfill at least one of the three main functions. They can be used for respiration, and they are the source of energy. They are used as building materials, and they can act as control factors. These control factors include substances such as vitamins and many inorganic salts which are needed only in small amounts. They determine overall pattern of the growth without themselves being used as building material. For example, vitamin D is needed for the healthy bone growth, and all that does not form the significant part of the bone structure. The requirement of the balanced diet are described in the terms of three main functions. They provide energy from the diet. They provide the other things as well. As I move ahead, I'll let you know about it. The carbohydrates and lipids are materials most often used for respiration and energy production. Carbohydrates foods are cheap to obtain, and in the poorer countries they provide as much as 80% of the total energy in people's diets. As discussed in the tutorial, carbohydrates include monosaccharides sugars such as glucose, fructose, and desaccharized sugars, the maltose, lactose, saccharose, and polysaccharose, starch, glycogen, and cellulose. Among these substances, of course, the polysaccharides occur in the diet in the largest amounts. Starch is there, and it certainly moves along. It provides the greatest of the information to all who are interested in getting to know about it. Now, one way or the other, among the different substances that we do talk about, we do get a very good understanding of the components of the diet. Among these substances, the polysaccharides occur in the diet in the largest amounts. Starch is the main carbohydrate storage material in the plants that forms 50% of the most of the food, such as the bread and roughly 20% of the mashed potatoes. Cellulose is the structural material of plant cells walls. It cannot be broken, and it cannot be broken down effectively in humans' digestive system, and it is used as an energy store in the diet of the herbivorous animals such as sheep and cattle.